A systemic failure to follow the law. That's how the Colorado Attorney General describes the actions of the San Luis Valley District Attorney Alonzo Payne after finding he repeatedly violated the rights of crime victims. Investigative reporter Sean Rice is live in our newsroom to explain what the Attorney General is doing to protect those victims now. Sean?
Yeah, Bart, the Attorney General's office says 12th Judicial District Attorney Alonzo Payne routinely failed to communicate with victims and consult with them about plea deals or case dismissals. And now, for the first time ever in Colorado, a sitting district attorney is now receiving increased oversight from the state.
What you endured during the criminal justice process is wrong. It violated the law. It demands to be corrected.
Strong words from Colorado Attorney General Tuesday. His office announced a 3-year agreement with District Attorney Alonzo Payne, an agreement that forces Payne's office to hire a monitor to ensure his office is not violating victims' rights.
Not only have I not seen Victims' Rights Act violations of this magnitude, but in the entirety of the Victims' Rights Act in Colorado history, we've never gotten to this point before.
Matthew Maka was one of 8 victims who filed state complaints alleging his rights were violated by Alonzo Payne. Maka was nearly shot to death last year, and Joseph Taylor, the alleged shooter, was charged with attempted murder. Months later, the case against Taylor was dismissed by Payne, but Maka says the DA didn't keep him in the loop.
I don't feel like a victim. Like I told you earlier, I feel like I'm actually the one that did the crime. He made me sound like I'm a criminal. He let so many cases go and didn't care. So how is that fair to him to just keep being in office and keep doing what he's doing? He should be disbarred.
This increased oversight authority is not enforceable by a court or a specific judge. However, the AG says if his office does not see substantial compliance, he could take action and strip all 8 cases from Payne's office. You can read the other actions the state is taking right now at KRDO.com. Reporting in the newsroom, Sean Rice, 13 Investigates.
All right, Sean, thank you.